Start reading. What are the words which we have to change? Pooja, are you getting my voice? Unmute yourself and speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलिए. कौन से वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं जिनको हमें चेंज करना है? नेम द वर्ड्स.
Rebel, rebellion, constitute and constitution.
एंड इसके बाद एक्सरसाइज बताओ.
Exercise. Read the paragraph below. Fill in the blanks with the noun form of the verb in bracket.
अच्छा, अब इसमें कौन से हैं? नाउन्स दिए हुए हैं या वर्ब्स दिए हुए हैं? आपको वर्ब्स दिए हुए होंगे, वर्ब्स को रीड करो. कौन कौन से वर्ब्स हैं?
Contribute, assist, subjugate.
What you are reading? Actually, you are not reading what I am saying. Yes, these two verbs are given, and now you people will have to write down the nouns. Some examples I am going to give you. You just have to write down the verbs and you have to change them into nouns. Note down the words which you have to change. Yes. Start writing.
Ma'am, in which book?
No, I am just giving you. It is not in that book. You just have to note it down, the words I am speaking about. Verbs I am telling you, you have to change them into noun. Your first word is rebel, that is given. R-E-B-E-L, rebel. Now you have to write down the verb form of it. After rebel, you have to write down constitute. C-O-N-S-T-I-T-U-T-E, constitute. Then you have to write down form, F-O-R-M, form. After that, govern, G-O-V-E-R-N, govern. Then oblige, O-B-L-I-G-E, oblige. After that, transform, T-R-A-N-S-F-O-R-M, transform. Then it is discriminate. Now the spelling of discriminate is D-I-S-C-R-I-M-I-N-A-T-E, discriminate. After that, deprive, D-E-P-R-I-V-E, deprive. Then it is demonstrate, D-E-M-O-N-S-T-R-A-T-E, demonstrate. After that, it is oppress. OPPRESS. Then it is imagine. IMAGINE. Then it is emancipate. EMANCIPATE. After that, it is devote. 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 Then it is prevent. PREVENT. After that, it is dominate. 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 And the last word of verb is possess. POSSESS. Now, once again, I am repeating all the verbs. And in homework, you have to change them into noun.
Ma'am, in
Everybody is
rough
getting?
copy or
Yes,
grammar
first.
copy?
No. First, you have to do it in rough copy. And this is the book exercise. So you have to do it in your copy. Literature copy, not in the grammar copy you have to do. Okay. Now, once again, I'm repeating the verbs. Check your words. The first word is rebel, then constitute, then form, then govern, then oblige, then transform, then discriminate, then deprive, then demonstrate, then oppress, then imagine, after that emancipate, then devote, then prevent, then dominate, and the last word is possess. So everyone has written? Give me the answer in yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to do one thing, you have to change these words into noun. Examples are in front of you. Rebel, while we change it into noun, it is rebellion. Constitute, it is a verb. When we change it into noun, it becomes constitution. Now I just want to check that what changes you are going to make with the other words. Okay. So tomorrow we will again discuss about it. Now coming to the next exercise, that is page number 25. And in that paragraph is given, you have to fill the words in that paragraph. Now the activity is read the paragraph below, fill in the blanks with the noun form of verb. The same thing is repeated here also. Noun forms of verbs in the brackets. The verbs are given in the brackets and you have to change it into noun and you have to fill in the paragraph. So the paragraph first I am going to read for you. I will speak up the verb and you have to tell me what change we have to make in the verb and we have to fill in the paragraph. Everybody is getting? सबको समझ
Yes,
में आ
ma'am.
रहा है?
Yes,
Verbs
ma'am.
को मैं बोलूंगी,
Yes, sir.
वर्ब्स को मैं बोलूंगी, आपको चेंज करके वर्ड को बताना है कि नाउन फॉर्म में उसमें क्या लिखेंगे आप. एंड डोंट शाउट सिंगल एट अ टाइम, यू जस्ट हैव टू रेज योर हैंड. डोंट शाउट. Getting my voice or not? Each and everyone is understanding what I am saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
now listen it very carefully. Just show me your hand. I'll just call up by your name, then you have to speak up. Martin Luther King's, you have to fill the verb contribute. Yes, 3 people are raising their hands. I just have to check. Yes, Harshal Mathur, what we have to write?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, contribute का मैम noun होगा contribution.
Yes, it is contribution. Yes, very good. Now the next is to our history as an outstanding leader began with he came to the assist. How do we change assist? What do we have to write at the place of assist? Neha Khanwani.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, assistance.
Yes, it is assistance of Rose Parks, a seamstress who refused to give up her seat on a bus to a white passenger. In those days, American blacks were confined in position of second-class citizenship or restrictive laws and customs. In break, these laws would mean subjugate. Subjugate. How do you change this? Who is going to raise their hand? Yes, Ishant, what we have to fill in that? Ishant, are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, क्या लिखेंगे इसमें?
Ma'am, subjugated.
Subjugate. Gated. No, it is not correct. Yes, Lisha. Lisha, what will be the answer? I'm not getting your voice. Subjugation. Your voice is not audible, Lisha. Yes, Nidhi, speak up.
Ma'am, subjugating.
No, subjugating is also not correct. Hina Elani.
Ma'am, the answer will be subjugation.
Yes, it is subjugation. And humiliate, at the place of humiliate, what we have to write? Sahil Bagdi. Sahil Bagdi, क्या लिखेंगे? Humiliate की जगह पर क्या लिखा जाएगा? Yes, Mayank.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, humiliating.
Humiliating. No, that is not correct. Pradyuman.
Ma'am, humiliation.
Yes, it is humiliation by the police and the legal system. Beating, imprison. What do we have to write at the place of imprison? Yes, Rashi. What do we have to write? Imprisonment. Yes, and sometimes death awaited those who defied the system. Martin Luther King's tactics of protest involved non-violent resist. What do we have to write at the place of resist?
Right.
Yes, Suhani Yadav.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What we have to write?
Ma'am, resistance.
Yes, it is resistance, violent resistance to racial injustice. So everybody has got it. Now, once again, I am repeating all the words. You just have to check your answers and fill it correctly. Okay. The first word is contribution. The second word is assistance. Then subjugation. then humiliation, then imprisonment, and the last word is resistance. So everyone has got it? Everybody has filled in their blanks?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
these
Yes,
words
ma'am.
will help you out in the exercise which we have done before. Now, the next exercise we have to do. Here it is, the exercise. Here are some examples of the used with proper names. Try to say that these sentences mean. You may consult a dictionary if you wish. Look at the entry for the. This exercise I have given. Now first I'll read the question. You will just have to tell me what is required and where it is required. And we have to make use of the only. And we know very well that the is always applied for a particular thing. This we know very well. Do we or not? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody
ma'am.
knows? Everybody knows it? Yes. Now, the sentence. Mr. Singh regularly invites the Amitabh Bachchans and Shah Rukh Khans to his parties. Listen to it once again. Here you have to make a correction. Mr. Singh regularly invites the Amitabh Bachchan and the Shah Rukh Khan to his parties.
मैम शायद दोनों नेम्स के पीछे से द हट जाएगा.
पीछे से या आगे से?
पीछे से मतलब द शाहरुख खान है तो वो शाहरुख खान ही लिखा जाएगा. मिस्टर शाहरुख खान.
मैम एस भी हट जाएगा।
मैम ऐसे हट
अच्छा,
जाएगा।
इन दोनों में से एस हट जाएगा और दोनों के आगे से द हट जाएगा. नाउ द प्रॉपर सेंटेंस, लिसन टू इट. दिस मीन्स दैट मिस्टर सिंह रेगुलरली इनवाइट्स famous personalities such as Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan to his party. Now it is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
everybody has got it. क्या किसी के proper noun के साथ में कभी भी we won't have to apply the. जब कभी भी proper noun आता है sentence में, किसी एक नाम को particularly बताया जाता है, उसके साथ में हम the को apply नहीं करते. Everybody has got it? Okay. Now the next sentence is, many people think that Madhuri Dixit is the Madhubala of our time. Listen to the question once again. Many people think that Madhuri Dixit is the Madhubala of our time.
मैम द हट जाएगा, द मधुबाला से.
The Madhubala से the हट जाएगा.
यस मैम.
Now, just listen to the answer, what we have to do. This means that Madhuri Dixit is compared to a landmark in acting in the form of legendary actress Madhubala. किसके साथ में कंपेयर किया जा रहा है उनको? एक legendary actress and her name is Madhubala. So what we have to do? The Madhubala, at the place of the Madhubala, we just have to write down Madhubala. And your answer should be, many people think that Madhuri Dixit is Madhubala of our time. This will be the correct answer. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is clear to all. Now coming to the next.
एस लगेगा क्या?
Huh?
मैम थिंक में एस.
Yes. Many people है ना? Why we have to write down S? अगर एक बच्चे के लिए, एक व्यक्ति के लिए कहा जाता है, then we have to put S. But here many people are there, so more than one in quantity. So we won't have to apply S or ES with that. Now the next is, history is not only the story of the Alexanders, the Napoleons, the Hitlers, but of ordinary people as well. Who is going to give the answer of this? Yes? Nobody knows. अभी तो बताया मैंने आपको, अभी भूल गए आप लोग. Now listen to. History is not only the story of Alexander, Napoleon, and Hitler, but of the ordinary people as well. So what correction I have made? What correction I have applied? Neha, speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
What
मैम
correction I have?
मैम आपने द हटा दिया है प्रॉपर नाउन के आगे से.
Yes, proper noun के आगे से मैंने the हटा दिया, and in front of ordinary I have put the.
द
क्योंकि वहाँ particular ordinary के लिए कहा जा रहा है, तो उसमें हमें क्या लगाना है? The
The.
लगाना है. Everybody has got it. Once again, I am repeating all the 3 sentences. You just have to listen to it. Mr. Singh regularly invites Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan to his parties. Got it? Many people think that Madhuri Dixit is Madhubala of our times. Okay? History is not only the story of Alexander, Napoleon, and Hitler, but of the ordinary people as well. Got it? समझ में आ रहा है सभी को या नहीं आया है? With the proper noun, we won't have to apply the. जब कभी एक व्यक्ति का नाम आता है तो उसके साथ में हमें द नहीं लगाना है. राशि अस्वार. Now, one more activity is there on page number 26, and it is the matching of columns. 2 columns are there. Jumbled sentences are there. You have to put the correct answer with the sentence. Now the first word is match the italicized phrases in column A with the phrase nearest meaning in column B. Hint, first book for the sentence in the text which the phrase in column A occurs. These are the sentences which are in the first book. I was not unmindful of the fact. This we have got in the chapter. This sentence was there in the chapter. I was not unmindful of the fact. Now, in the columns, what we have to do? Which we have to choose?
मैम फर्स्ट वन.
First one.
फर्स्ट वन.
First one is
First one.
appropriate for that because the sentences are had not forgotten, was aware of the fact, okay, was not careful about the fact, forgot or was not aware of the fact. So what we have to apply? The first one. Which one is the correct one? First one.
फर्स्ट वन मैम.
Now, in the second sentence, when my comrades and I were pushed to our limits. Now
Ma'am,
listen
third-
to the.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
third
third
one.
one.
Third.
Just a moment. First, I have to read, beta. Others are also studying. Na? You don't have to speak up at the very moment. Pushed by the guards to the wall, took more than our share of beatings, felt that we could not endure the suffering any longer. Felt that we could not endure the suffering any longer. Now listen to it. I'm just translating both the sentences so you people will get to know what is the correct answer to that. Now the sentence is when my comrades and I were pushed to our limits. जब मेरे साथियों को और मुझे जरूरत से ज्यादा परेशान कर दिया गया. felt that we could not endure the suffering any longer. This answer you are going to give. So what it is suggesting, महसूस किया कि हम बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे और अधिक दुख या मुश्किल. So what we have to apply? The third one is the correct answer for second one. Now the next is to reassure me and keep me going. To reassure me and keep me going. Do fast, the time is getting over. Jaldi kijiye.
Ma'am, second one.
Ma'am, second one.
To reassure me and keep me going. Help me continue to live in hope in this very difficult situation. That is perfectly correct. To reassure me का मतलब मुझे विश्वास दिलाया and keep me going और मुझे आगे बढ़ने में मदद किया. अब यहाँ पर देखिए, help me continue to live in hope. मेरी मदद की जिससे कि मैं आशा के साथ हमेशा जी सकूं in this very difficult situation. इस मुश्किल परिस्थिति में. So both are the same, and that's why we have to choose the second one. Now the last is the basic and the honorable freedom of earning my keep.
Ma'am,
First one.
Ma'am, first one.
Earning enough money to live on. मतलब पर्याप्त पैसा कमाना जिससे कि मैं अपनी जिंदगी गुजार सकूं. Now I am telling the answers once again. You just have to go through. I was not unmindful of the fact. Had not forgotten. This time I am giving the answer. Anshul Nitharwal, sit down. Had not forgotten, was aware of the fact when my comrades and I were pushed to our limits, felt that we could not endure the sufferings any longer. To reassure me and keep me going, help me continue to live in hope in this very difficult situation. The basic and honorable freedoms of earning my keep, earning enough money to live on. So this is the part of activity which we have done, and you have to do it in your copy directly. Yes, now Bharti ma'am has joined and she will take the class. Good morning, Bharti ma'am.